What is up, YouTube family? It's good to see you. My name is Mike. Welcome back to another episode of The Road to Wellness. So I wanted to make this video for all you people out there with busy schedules, or even the people out there that are too afraid to go to the gym out of intimidation, or maybe you lack the confidence right now to get yourself in the gym. I know it can be daunting. Sometimes other people are looking at you and they're wondering, what's this person doing in the gym? But let me tell you something. You are doing this for you. You are doing this for no one else but yourself. If you choose to go to the gym, shut all those voices in your head out and pay no mind to the people that might be judging you, because this is about you and your journey and your success. And in the end, you'll get the last word. Now I want to share something important with you, something that's important for your long-term health. There is a study that showed that people who did 2.5 hours of exercise per week, which equates to about 30 minutes a day, for 5 days a week, reduce their all-cause mortality risk by 19%. What that literally means is that by exercising 30 minutes per day, 5 days a week, that you are 19% less likely to die from all causes barring accidents, which means heart disease, complications from diabetes, stroke, complications from other mental illnesses. So I really want to stress the importance of getting that exercise in, even if it's only 20 to 30 minutes a day, 3 or 4 times a week. You're going to be much better off than the person that doesn't. So I made this video of quick exercises that you can do at home. These require no bench, no weights. I did incorporate some small weights. If you have kettlebells or if you have barbells at home, you can incorporate these as well, but weights are absolutely not required to get started. You can do all this at home. So in between your video games when you die, or maybe right when you get home from work before you lose energy, just get down, do some of these workouts, find some motivation, go watch a motivational video online. Remember, this is about you. This is about your health and your wellness. I want you guys to be cognizant of injuries. So I want you to warm up, do some stretches. Don't overexert yourself too much, but remember, failure has to happen in this environment to progress. So if you feel like you might not be progressing, then it's quite possible you may not be trying hard enough or pushing yourself far enough. This is the one place where failure means progress. So without further ado, here are my exercises.